the seed mix had annual rye in it, so I expected to have these little guys shooting up. It's only been about 4 days. So we've got a good crop of grass coming up for this year. Then it's going to be fescue. Fescue is really good in shade, so we should be all right on that too. We've got sod here that I took out of the flower bed when we put the rocks around the base of the plum tree. We're going to fill this thing up with some of that leaf mulch. Oh, it's got a toad. He's in there looking for bugs. Might have just jumped in there and not been able to get out. They do such silly things. There, now he's free. There he goes, taking off. Headed for the high country. Yep, now he's happy. They jump down into a place like that and they can't get up and out of it. And I'll find them dried out. So we'll get some dirt in there. He'll be able to make the leap up and over. Probably crawled in between two of the things. Got in there and couldn't get out. Anyways, having done my bit for the animals in the yard, this grass is going to turn out really good. Coming along great. Come over here and check this. Same thing. Coming in like gangbusters. Now this had grass in it before it started, so some of that grass is coming up through, but I got a lot of the new grass going in. And you see that little mark right there, and another one there, and another one over there. That's a fawn coming through.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.